we are tuning, we're not tuning anything, we're just playing with a Chevy Caprice. But that's from Mo. Alright guys, today on the channel, we're gonna get a huge update on Project Suspect, aka the Caprice. Just got off the phone with Mo at LSX Killer, and we are on the way to their shop. We're gonna throw the Caprice on the rollers. Now mind you, I have not done anything since I picked this car up. It does have a muffler missing, but still has the other full-size muffler on the passenger side. The driver's side muffler is missing. But other than that, we're gonna drive the Caprice all the way up to Bonner and swing by the shop, throw it on the rollers and see what's up. But just want to give you guys kind of a quick intro, and that's what we're gonna be watching today. But we have a hell of a drive. Not really, I mean, it's a little bit of a drive. But we're gonna go get this knocked out, grab a bite to eat on the way, and then we'll be back on the rollers, hopefully, or at the shop at least, see what he has going on today. And that's out. All right, for those that didn't know, at Streetcar Takeover OKC, which that video will be posted before I post this one, Mo at LSX Killer, they have a mobile dyno, which we're actually gonna dyno the Caprice on today at the other shop. And he was on his way down. I woke up to this phone call actually while I was in Oak City, getting ready for the event, saying, hey man, I don't know if we're gonna make it. We just smacked a deer. And I was like, man, you gotta be there. He came through, he pulled the other truck out, the backup dually. But this is why this one did not make it. As you can see, he didn't just hit a deer, he done nailed the deer. Crushed the bumper back, the grill, headlight, bumper. Him and his wife got smacked with some airbags. I don't know if it's unlocked. Oh yeah, it's unlocked. Airbags went off. So short story is that deer done fucked him up. And he's shaking his head at me right now because he knows I'm right. That deer fucked you up, didn't it?
Yeah.
Where'd it come from? Just jumped over the barrier, didn't it?
I have no idea where it came from. I was doing like 85 and head check, and bam, got nailed by a airbag. So I didn't see it till it was like.
But that truck is rest in peace currently. Don't mind the random gunfire in the background of this video due to the Bonner Springs Police Department range. We have the Caprice. We have the mobile dyno, which we'll be using. We've used in all the previous videos, so we're going to use this one. This will actually be the first car dynoed at the new location for LSX Killer. So that's where it's at, and we'll be right back. All right, so as you guys can see, the Caprice has made its way to the dyno. They're going to strap it down real quick, and the stock 2012 Chevy Caprice comes with an L77, which is a 6-liter DOD all aluminum motor with a 6L80, if I'm not mistaken. So knowing that, and it's on E85. It is on 85 right now. Not the best E85, but it's on some pump junk ass E85.
We call that the corn's fuels.
So Mo, what's your number?
345.
345. And it is a nice 46-degree day. All right, what do you know about LS's?
Brisk.
It's a brisk. You're up. What do you know?
What do I know? What is it?
It's a 6-liter.
Oh, I think it's all the power.
Huh?
330.
330. What's your guess?
What's done to it?
It's bone stock. It has a stock air box. It's missing a muffler on the side.
I noticed that.
It's missing a muffler on this side. That's it.
Okay. I'd have to say 325.
They got 325, 330, right?
Yep.
Mo, what'd you say? 345? Damn it. That was my guess. All right, what's your guess?
For a horsepower?
Yeah. 6-liter. All stock.
360.
Woo!
all just gonna surround stuff right here, make her feel really uncomfortable. No way.
Lower corner.
Wow.
Tell you the peak in
That's
the lower corner.
Mo got that shit right on the dot.
344 too.
344.2 bone stock.
Bam.
Now we gotta do stuff to it. Like,
That's pretty good.
that's pretty freaking retarded, actually.
How heavy is it?
Huh?
How heavy is this?
4,000. Oh, we got a scale close by, don't we?
Yeah, down the street.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the scale after this and we'll weigh it.
For you video people, it's gonna be all instant. We're just gonna morph to the scale.
See, he knows exactly how this works. It's gonna go like this. Boom! Scale. Holy hell, this scale has to be off. So according to this, there's no way. There's no way that Caprice weighs 4,600 pounds. There's no way in hell. Damn. I'm gonna have to look it up now because I don't know what it weighed. This is actually an old street racing spot of Mo's and mine and several other local people. I didn't realize the scale was actually operational there. And we stole Mo's wife to show how to get there from the shop. This is a different direction I ever come. Alright, so the final baseline numbers are, we did one pull, as you guys saw. That is the only pull we did today. Hooked it up, made the pull, didn't do any adjustments, nothing. It's bone stock. We made 344 peak horsepower and 371 foot-pounds of torque. As you can see, the graph ain't the best graph. It's pretty decently smooth for being stock. But as you can see there, 344, the torque, 370. Really? That ain't that bad. And we're going to lower it, full exhaust, intake, and then eventually cam and some other stuff. And the gunfire in the background has to be hilarious right now. But we're not too far from the police shooting range and we're driving a cop car. So what's the irony in that? So we're in this, what year is this?
96.
96 Cushman. What model is this?
I think it's called the Manster.
It's called the Sketchy. If you get hit, you're dead.
Yeah, definitely.
But we just went down a hill, and let me tell you, I've never been nervous in a golf cart before.
But we are about to exceed the speed limit in a Cushman.
Now that is impressive. Because how often you can exceed the speed limit in a Cushman? What are we doing? The speed!
Oh,
we got a hill!
Oh, here we go. Oh, 30, 32.
Don't you pull out!
35 into 30.
Yeah! Gravity's a bitch! And we got Project Suspect, our 2012 Chevy Caprice PPV. That is undergoing a pretty big build. It'll probably start next spring. I'm gonna start gathering parts now. But anything you guys can do, share, like the videos, that'd be great. We're trying to build this thing up. I mean, we're at 300 subs right now. We've only been going at it for a few months. So I just want to thank everybody and see you guys next video. Subscribe button's right here for your friends and for yourself. If you haven't already done it, hit that button, hit the notification bell, and then check out the other video over here. Thank you. And stay positive.